Hello guys, I'm mester.mechanic and I'm here with another video on my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to design this 3D model in SolidWorks, and it's gonna be very easy. Here I have the dimensions, and this is the top view of the model, and this is the front view of the model. And firstly we draw the sketch of the top view, then we will extrude the sketch. So before getting started, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments. Your subscription and your comments give me more energy to upload more videos on YouTube, on my YouTube channel. So let's get started as soon as is possible. Here we have the dimensions. Firstly, I have to close the model. For closing the model in SolidWorks, just come here and click on close. Now I have to make a new part. For making a new part, just click on new part. Okay, now I have a new part. Firstly, I have to draw the sketch, but before drawing the sketch we have to choose a plane to draw the sketch. Firstly, it doesn't matter which plane you choose, but I suggest you to choose the front plane. So click on the front plane and click on a sketch. Now we have opened a sketch. You can see the sketch here. So here choose a 3-point arc and draw an arc here. And now I draw another one here. So I'm going to draw another arc here. So here we have another arc. So draw another arc here. Now we have to move the sketch a little bit. So move your sketch. And now we have to draw a center line. So here choose the center line, and in options choose midpoint center line. So here you can see as they get close to origin point, an orange point here appears. It means that if you click on this point, the center of the center line will be connected to the origin point. So draw a horizontal center line. Now here we have to make these arcs tangent to each other. So hold the control button and choose this arc and this one, and in that relation give it tangent relation, and do the same thing here, tangent relation. Now this point, the center of this arc must be coincident to the origin point. So hold the control button and choose this point and the point here and give it coincident relation. And this point here must be horizontal to this point. So choose these 2 points by holding a control button, and in add relation give it horizontal relation. Now move your sketch a little bit, and here choose a smart dimension. The dimension of this arc is 75 millimeter, the radius of the arc, and the radius of this one is 40 millimeter. And radius of this one is 70 millimeter. Now move the arcs. Here choose this line, and here choose the line again, and here draw a horizontal line. So here draw a horizontal line and right click select to exit the tool. Here choose the center line and connect this point to the arc here, to this point, the middle of the arc, and right click select to exit the tool. I'm going to mirror these 2 arcs to this side of the center line. So choose the mirror entities, and here choose mirror about, and choose the center line, and again choose the entities to mirror, and choose this arc and this one and the line here, and here turn on the copy. I'm going to copy these entities to this side of the center line, and here click on OK. Now we have to again mirror these arcs here to this side of the center line. So again choose the mirror entities, and here choose the mirror about, and choose this center line, and again choose entities to mirror, and choose all of these arcs here. You can see the yellow arcs, and here turn on the copy, and here click OK. Now all we have to do is just connect these 2 lines by a arc. So you can see I'm drawing the sketch of the top view of the model. Here choose a 3-point arc, and here connect this point to this point by an arc, and here choose a smart dimension. The radius of this arc is 25 millimeter. And here hold the control button and choose this point and this point and give it merge a relation, and do the same thing here. Here choose mirror entities, and I'm going to mirror this arc to this side of the center line. So here choose this arc, and here in mirror about choose this center line, and here click on OK. Now here choose the smart dimension. The dimension from this point to the origin point is 150 millimeter. You can see the sketch is turning to black. It means that my sketch is becoming fully defined, but it is not still fully defined because of the blue arcs here, and the sketch is still moving. So we have to choose the smart dimension. The dimension from this point to the point here is 10 millimeter. And I have to move the sketch a little bit. Yes. And here my sketch is not still full defined because here this point must be coincident to the center of this arc. So here choose this point, hold the control button and choose this point and the point here, and give it again choose this point and this one and give it merge relation. You can see my sketch is fully defined, and I can't move my sketch, and everything is black. Now all we have to do is just extrude the sketch. Here come to the feature. If you don't have the feature tab, right click, and here you can turn on the feature. If you can't see the dimensions or the relations in your sketch, you can turn on or turn off the relations or the dimensions. So here come to the feature and click on extruded boss and base. Here we have some options. Here choose selected contour and choose this region. I'm going to extrude this region, and don't turn on these two options. We'll go through these options in the other videos. So here must be blind, and here you have to extrude the sketch about 20 millimeter. Here must be a sketch plane, and that's it. Here click on OK. Now all we have to do is just make two cut extrude on this surface. So click on this surface or on this surface, it doesn't matter. Click on this surface and click on a sketch. Don't click on edit a sketch. If you click on edit a sketch, you will edit your sketch. So here you have to make a new sketch. So click on this surface and click on a sketch. Now hold the Control and 8 button on your keyboard, or here in view orientation you can simply change the view. So this view is better. Here choose 2-point circle, and here draw a circle at the origin point. So right click, select to exit the circle. Here choose a smart dimension. The dimension of this circle is 0.6 millimeter. Yes. And come to the feature, and here to choose extruded cut, and we have to extrude make a cut extrude on this surface about 10 millimeter. So here must be 10 millimeter, and don't turn on these two options. Here in selected contour choose the circle. Here must be a sketch plane, and OK. So you can see we made a cut extrude here, and we have to make a hole on this surface. So choose this surface and again click on a sketch. Now in view orientation choose this view. This view is much better, and here choose a 2-point circle and draw another circle here, and right click, select to exit the circle. Here choose a smart dimension. The dimension of this circle is 100 millimeter. And now come to the feature and come to cut extrude. Sorry. Here come to the cut extruded cut, and here choose selected contour and choose this circle, and here in direction 1 choose the through all. So it will make a cut extrude through all the model, and don't turn on these two options. Here must be a sketch plane, and click on OK. Now we designed our model, and now we have to apply a color. Choose the bus extrude, and in edit appearance we can change the color. For example, here we can change it to black, green, or I think green is much better. So okay, Now choose the cut extrude, and in edit appearance we can change the color to yellow. Yeah, it's much better. And here we have the model. Please watch my previous videos. I have uploaded over 30 videos on my YouTube channel about drawing a sketch if you have any problem with drawing a sketch or making your sketch fully defined. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments. Your subscription and your comments to give me more energy to upload more videos on my YouTube channel. And thanks for watching this video.